body. It has been my observation, Mr. Chair, at the tower,
Bell Tower
Bell
ako.
Tower, Mr. Chair. Adot mabuya tayo pa, nagpa-plug ceremony tayo, Mr. Chair. Adot kayo, ije tower. Recently, nakad-ado kayo. Ket, ti pamatik, Mr. Chair, no old building, especially dito Bell Tower nga, the historical value na apo. Dapat akit awan
DJ
kayo,
kayo,
ije
at
mismo
roots.
building pa ya, may parit kumapay, ti kayo ije abay ti old buildings. How much more ije mismo tower itself ay nakad-ado nagwarasen. And I was informed, Mr. Chair, nakisarsaritak ije makipilpila nga tricycle driver ijay. Ada kano pa nagdadakkel nga kastan nga cementon from the tower. Mabuteng da pa nga mapan ijayen. Ijay igid ti tower ng tabaka daman matnagen. So I think there is something that is needed to be done by the government considering the historical importance of the bell tower, that someone should ensure the maintenance of that property. I do not know if it should be the provincial government, the city government, the church, or the National Historical Institute of the Philippines, Mr. Chair, but something must be done, Mr. Chair.
Definitely po, Jason, because if you see our seal, dati seal tayo pa itilawag City DJ Bell Tower because it significant DJT syudad tayo po. So, with that statement given by Honorable Jason Pereira, Posek, please communicate with the Diocese of Laogapo through Bishop Mayugba ken i-trumlat ta ken ni Father Monsignor Joel Baro tinatasunat ti head ita katedral po no kasano ti possible nga matulungan tayo suda nga mga dalus di DJ puno po at damit di DJ manlift tayo nga mabalin nga tumulong kada kwada if any assistance nga masapol da po aguni dalata kada tayo tapno tumulong tayo po.
Yes, Your Honor.